everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is an interesting one from our friends at Stunning Misadventures on YouTube. This one is a cheesy bacon zucchini bread, something like that, really close. It's got all those ingredients, and it's really good, but we made it keto. Yes, we did, so you're going to have to watch and see how my mom did that. It is really delicious. We love it very much, and we think you guys should give it a try. So, watch and see what my mom did to make it keto. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hi everyone, as Yoda said, we're making a cheesy bacon zucchini bread from Stunning Misadventures channel on YouTube, and I think they got theirs from someone else. So I'm gonna link their video in the description box, and then in that video, I think there's a link to where they originally got it from because they made some modifications. So pay attention. Let me tell you what's in here. This is the bread. It's ready to go in the oven to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes. Okay, so I am making a keto version of this bread. So you had to have 1.5 cups of shredded zucchini. So I used my green giant veggie spirals. They're frozen. I put them in the microwave for about 6 minutes and it came out like that in the picture. So that's the zucchini in there. And then you mix together the bacon. I have 1/4 cup bacon bits, 1.5 cups cheese. I'm using this BioLife vegan cheese. You have an egg, so I use 3 tablespoons of just egg, vegan egg. You got 1/4 cup melted butter, so I'm using this European one, I don't know. I used 1/4 cup of that, and it has to be melted, so I melted that. 1 cup of milk, so I'm using dairy-free organic coconut unsweetened. 1/4 cup of green onions. Then let's see, we used a tablespoon of sugar, so I use monk fruit in the raw. It is no carbs. Sugar. And then salt and pepper. I think it's a teaspoon of salt. And then I just use a little shake of pepper, white pepper. Then a teaspoon of garlic powder. 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 2 cups of flour. So I used Carnivore Crisp chicken breast flour. And is that everything I have here? Yes, I believe so. Okay, so that's what went to be mixed up in here. I just used a wooden spoon and mixed it all together. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. It's gonna be a 350 degree oven, and you're gonna do 40 to 50 minutes. So I'm gonna put in 50, and then see what happens. I'll watch it, especially the last 10 minutes just to see. All right, it's going in the oven. We'll see what happens. All right, it's cooking. See you on the flip. All right, it has been 50 minutes at 350, and that is how long it took. I took it out at 40 minutes because it started to get brown on the top, but I put a knife in to check it, and it was still pretty liquidy in the center. So now it's bouncy. But I put it back in for another 10 minutes, and I covered it with foil so it wouldn't brown so much on top. So that's been 50 minutes, 350. This is our zucchini, cheesy zucchini bacon bread. Nummy, nummy. It smells delicious. It tastes delicious. I hope you guys give it a try. Thanks, Stunning Misadventures. Happy Monday. Bye.